Alright guys, so I have the exhaust and the headers wrapped. As you see, my wrapping style. Now I'm no professional, header wrapper or exhaust wrapper, so you know what I'm saying, I just kind of did what I seen. I'm not a professional, so do how you do. There's other videos up there, so check out all those other videos. That's what I did, but this is how I decided to wrap it. I think it came out pretty damn good. The last step for this part, I'm using this high heat silicone coating. It's good for your exhaust wraps. So I'm spraying that now, gives it a nice dark black look. So hopefully that'll help. And it also, I think it also protects up to 1500 degrees as well. So got that nice wrap on there, got that good coating going. So I'm gonna hit this a couple more coats, and then we're gonna start getting the header back installed.